Who is that? Who is that, Claire? Is that you? Are you watching yourself? Yeah. Who's that, Claire? That's you. Yeah, that's your mouth. Those are your fingers. Always in the mouth. Those are your fingers. Hey, cutie. We're gonna go for a walk later, aren't we? Because it's gonna be 60-some degrees today. What, like 64? 66? Something really nice. Not bad for March 18th. Hi, cutie pie. Look at the cutie. Look at the cutie. You just relaxing? Yeah, except those feet are always going. Ooh, I don't know if I even got them. But they're always moving. So cute. Okay. See you later, people.